Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I have a small unboxing of Aliexpress. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Ik ga open de stokjes. Yes, I can. So the first thing I got is this. Oh my god, this is so cute. So the first thing I have is this phone lanyard from Chloe. Ah, so cute. Gonna use this with my keys. And you can hold your phone with this. And it's so handy because you can never lose your phone with this. It's so cute. Okay, next thing. Also got the cinema roll on, of course. I'm having trouble getting this one. Hello? Can you go in, please? Thank you. And this one is so cute too. Oh my god, cinema roll. It makes me not lose my phone because I'm really bad with that. So, oh wait. I'll put it on the plastic too. Now it's good. So that's really cute. I wish they had a Pom Pom Purin one from this one too, because I also like Pom Pom Purin. So next thing, let's see, what's this? Oh, that's my screen protector for my watch. And I have a screen protector for my watch. So I want to try it with it. Really, I really like it because I'm using those. Like just full cover case. I love using the full cover ones. So that's going to be new. Okay, then I have 3 watch bands. The first one is I'm trying to see which purple ones are good from Aliexpress because I have a Samsung watch and the original one, but I don't know, man. I wanted to try out some Aliexpress ones too. And this one has the purple clasp thing. I mean, it's okay, but let me try it out. I'm having trouble with finding the right size ones because most ones I already tested out. They're mostly too big on my wrist. So if this is the same thing. I just ask back for my money. This thing started playing all of a sudden. What the hell? Okay, this is kind of weird. Great, it stopped my video. Oh my god. Let's try it out. Oh, that's great. It doesn't fit my vest. It's a little bit big. Look, this is not how it's supposed to be. That sucks. I hope the other one fits too. See, that's the problem I have with these watch bands. Ah, that's so freaking annoying. Oh my god. Let's see if this one fits better. I hope so. And also the reason why I not only get the official Samsung watch band is because I want to have a cheap version of it too, so that I don't feel bad when it gets destroyed. Because I don't want to use my expensive watch band to just do basic stuff, you know. If this one gets messed up, I don't feel bad about it. Because I think 40 euros is a little bit much for a watch band to screw it over. Yeah, this one fits a lot better. Oh my god. With my small wrist. See, no gap in between this. Here. Wait, you cannot see that. there you go. It looks good, at least. And it fits my wrist. So I'm really glad that I got this one. That's the thing I have. Sometimes these silicone watch pads don't fit my wrist. Because I have that small wrist. And now I ordered also a very dark purple one. I hope this will fit still. What I think so. Oh my god, that is really dark. I love it. The color. I really love the color. It will match my focus so well. And it's also like better quality than I expected. Like that's so crazy. Yeah, that fits better. Oh my god, I like it. Look. It's so beautiful purple. Ah, I like it. So yeah guys, that was it for the unboxing. Stay tuned to my channel because I will be posting more unboxing videos. So like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Bye!